Magdalo.
Hi.
Welcome to Miss Earthworm 1961! Let us welcome our lovely candidates in their national costume.
Mga corny na joke ba?
Contestant number 1.
I'm Donna Iko.
Donna.
I'm from China. Japan di ay.
Dabei bau.
Let us welcome contestant number 2.
Mongol. Abra.
Mayra. I came from Turkey. Not so far, but not so near. Just call my name and I'll be there.
Thank you, ladies. And now, let's take a look for their swimwear attire. Let us welcome Thank you, contestant number 1. Let us welcome contestant number 2. Thank you, ladies. Let us welcome our lovely guests in their question and answer portion. May I call contestant number 1? Miss Japan. My question, what is the essence of being a woman? I will not translate it because she's from Japan. Azumazare, kakoro, sharista, here.
Tububo to siya.
She said, beautiful.
Abra ba?
My question is, what is the essence of being a woman?
Ay naku, day. Wala ka kay Rupa, day. Kay Rupa, day. Ilmat na siya, day. Hindi ka gaya ni Rupa, day. May engine na, pero wala na sila, day. Ituro na kanya, day. Ito kaya ka doon, day. Day. Yun lang masasabi ko, day. Sa inyo na yung tahan.
Okay, let us welcome our contestants again in their swimsuit attire. Contestant number 1, Dunay Iko. Standing 6 inches. And her vital signs, 1, 2, and 3.
Boring.
Maywa Sarayo, she is standing 1 foot tall. Her vital signs are 4, 5, and 6. And now, the moment you've been all waiting for. Do you think sino ang mananalo? Okay, I will let my co-host, Klaus Barreta, to proclaim who is the winner.
Proclaim yun.
So,
Proclaim yun.
It's gonna be who's Okay, the moment of truth. Okay.
Magsaray.
is gathering an average score of 10%.
Pasangawa.
It's none other than